Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting your iPad to your iPhone's hotspot. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you have both an iPad and an iPhone, you can make your iPad connect to its mobile data hotspot directly from the iPad. You don't have to turn anything on your phone, which is really convenient. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPad. In Settings, select Wi-Fi. Under Personal Hotspots, your iPhone should be there. You can simply tap to connect. Once it's connected, tap the I button beside it. If you have a limited data plan, you should enable low data mode here, which will make your iPad consume less data. You can make it so that your iPad automatically creates a hotspot from your iPhone. To do that, select Auto Join Hotspot from the Wi-Fi settings. You can set it to Ask to Join or Automatic. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.